Guys, welcome. Today I just wanna remind you a little bit on how we make the paper aeroplane. I know you know how to do this, but sometimes it's been a while, and maybe your grandkid, your son, your daughter, or wherever is struggling to do it. I just wanna show you the correct way to do it. Some people may do it in a different way, but I just wanna show you the way I know how we do it. We just want to get the paper. This is our paper right here. We fold it at the middle. We just want to make sure that it's folded straight all the way down. Make sure it's folded all the way down at the middle, and the edges are all equal here. Yeah, it's folded. And then we're gonna open it up. We lay it down. We fold this end inwards, making sure that this end is just straight on this line that we folded. We do the same on this other side here. I guess you guys are following up to that end. We'll do the same here. Yeah, and then we come with something like this. And then we lay our paper flat again like this. We fold this end inwards. We make sure that the tip of the paper is just sitting on the line that we folded. Yeah, after doing that again, we do the same. We start from here, we fold this inwards, making this tip touches here at the center of this line that we started with. The same way we do here, make sure that this tip here touches this line that we started with. Yeah, after doing that, just come with something like this, and then we fold this tip inwards so that it can hold this together here, and put it flat to straighten it up. After that, and then we fold this backwards, just making sure that all the edges are lining up together. Like this. And then now we fold this outwards. This is gonna be like our wings now. This is gonna be our wings now. I just wanna make sure that they are in a straight line. Yeah, like this. And this is our aeroplane paper. Look, it's done. Yeah, then we can fry it wherever we can fry. I hope you guys, you followed well and you enjoyed my instructions. Therefore, that's how easy to make the aeroplane more. Let's fry it. Ooh!